Look on the wall, kuya. 501, 501. Where is 517? Where do you think 517 is? Left or
Where?
right?
Look, kuya.
Where's the arrow?
Where?
517.
Okay, go.
Follow, kuya. Look for 517.
Where's the door? Here.
Oh, open. It's the card. It's the one. One card. Just get one card. Open. Tap.
Hi guys! So yung first hotel na pinagstayan namin dito sa Illinois is yung Spring Hill Suites, located sa downtown Chicago. So it's a studio with a king-size bed and a sofa bed. Kasama na rin yung breakfast for $390.95. Quick tour lang tayo dito sa hotel na pinagstayan namin dito sa Chicago. Next naming tinuluyan is yung Fairfield Inn and Suites sa Peru, Illinois. Yung pinabook namin na room type is yung executive suite with one king-sized bed and a sofa bed. So kasama na rin yung breakfast and it cost us $213.40. Room tour ko kayo. So, pagpasok ng pinto, ito yung makita. So, on the right, dito yung CR. Ayan. So, ayan, yung CR nila. Ayan. So, shower. Ayan. Bathtub. Dito naman sa tabi ng toilet and bath is yung microwave. Tapos coffee maker. Tapos ayan. Tapos ref. Ayan. So dito may full length mirror. Tapos television. Tapos, ayan, for eyes. Right.
I didn't know.
Right. We have.
Why extra more pillows?
So we need to sleep there, and then, di ko alam kay Papa Mike anong size ng bed, pero, yan. Si Kuya Sam and Papa ang matutulog dyan, like the other hotel room. So, merong office desk. Ayan, ito lang. Tapos, may isa pa. Ayan. So, dito sa pan na to, kami matutulog ni Ellie. I think may pull out ba siya? I think meron siyang pull out. Dapat. Like the other hotel room sa Chicago, sa downtown. Ayan. Yung pangatlong tinuluyan namin sa Illinois is yung Meno Haven. Located siya sa Tisquilwa, Illinois. So, it's a hotel type. So, meaning, di na kami nagdala ng mga beddings with a queen-sized bed and a bunk bed. And it cost us $190 per night. Ready?
What's Hickory house?
Hickory. 23, 24, we're here. Alright. Okay, let's wait for Papa. Yeah, here's our room, guys. You want the bunk bed?